either know me by plaintiff or sugar daddy. Okay, plaintiff, if they violate my rights, then there's obviously a lawsuit. And if they realize that it's my tax dollars that pay for their sweet lifestyle, then I'm sugar daddy.
Don't forget, Captain.
We got some security cams out here. We're at the Brevard County Courthouse. And I'm here with James Madison Audits. Check out his YouTube link in the description for the video. We are checking out the courthouse today. Smoking. Brevard County Sheriff Deputy Clerk Peter. It's the exit. Here's the entrance. Thank you. And this is the difference out for you.
What do you need now? What you need? I don't want to be recorded. That's what I need. Oh, why are they recording? You have to talk to the deputy about that.
24, 25. I am 25, sir. I had talked to the court administrator last week, Michelle or Christine, I can't remember her name, but we're allowed to go in the courtrooms. I just wanted to find out what courtrooms I'm allowed to go in on video today.
I guess. I'm assuming any of them that have criminal cases going on?
Yeah, I know we're not allowed to do like kids or sexual violent, crimes or something like that, but
We definitely don't, ma'am.
is there any drug courts or anything going on? Or I know it's 4th floor.
No idea.
Can you find out? Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, I will let you know anything you guys have with me on it better be blurred out. By law, you have to. I do not give you rights to record me. Cool. Give me your name, sir. Give me your name, Captain Awesome.
You have it.
No. What's
Captain
your name?
Awesome.
You are breaking my rights, trying to uphold your own. That is not how the system works. That is not what I fought for. Do you understand that? You don't break laws and rights to try and make yours bigger and better.
Am I breaking the law?
I do not want to be recorded. I would like you to stop.
Am I breaking the law?
If you do not like to stop, we can do something about this. Deputy's out there.
Go ahead.
This is illegal.
Okay.
Stop recording me.
Okay.
Stop recording me.
It's illegal.
I'd like the deputies over here, please. Take the camera off me, sir.
Making live on some things that we don't even know.
What part of this do you not understand?
Who are you? Why would I
My
listen
name
to
is
you?
Michael Kellum. I'm a United States Army soldier that has done my time in the military, done my time here in the United States, knows my laws and rights, and I do not wish to be recorded by you. Turn it off.
Then you should stay home.
No, that's not how the laws go.
You see the camera right above me?
Mm-hmm.
It's
That is
recording
a
you
court
too.
government camera.
Doesn't matter.
That is not the same. Turn that off.
There's no expectation of privacy in public. Okay?
Sir, this is a courthouse. There's all kinds of expectations of privacy about things.
Okay.
And any kind of little camera you have that can see paperwork that I don't deem necessary for you to see that is my private stuff, is you're invading my privacy. Just like you are invading my privacy by recording me right now being in the courthouse.
Tell him.
This needs to stop.
I understand.
He has no right to record me once I tell him I do not want to be recorded. And he's going to face the camera right at me and defy me? That is illegal.
It is a public place and you can film inside a public place, but you have a right to say you don't want to.
There you go. Please take the camera off me.
You have a right to say it. I don't
What
have
is
to
your
listen
name?
to you.
What's your name?
Captain Awesome.
That's ridiculous.
Disrespect this. You are what's wrong with the system, sir, not them having cameras in the courthouse. This is to protect people. This is for you to be a, well, excuse my language, an a-hole.
Right. I realize court's only here to protect people.
He's not allowed in any
Isn't this
courtroom
public
to video,
disturbance?
and she's getting a specific statute or reason as to why he's not.
And then you erase my face on anything that they have my face on. I was told them to keep their cameras away from
Hey,
me,
more
but
polite
they're
gentlemen.
pointing at people.
I want a name, more polite gentlemen.
I'm sorry, I mean, you do have a right.
I'm trying to
The only thing you would be
I put that with the remote control.
I thought it was a drone too. I thought it was a fly.
I got it.
It's great when broken people try to fix the system by breaking it more.
What is it? Oh.
Deputy, I've told him several times I don't want to be on his recording, and he's continuing to record me.
I don't want to be on their recording.
Well, it is a public place and I can't stop him from recording, so.
By law, if I've told him I don't want to be recorded, that means that I'm
I
supposed
find
to
myself on
stop. Correct.
any site, I will know who put me on that site, excuse me.
Case if need be. But as far as the criminal act, which is what we get, it's not a crime.
Okay. I find myself on any site, I know where to go.
It's called YouTube. That's where you go.
Okay. That's where you will go as well.
I think there were more than that. Oh, no, that's sure. Okay. Now, I had a big issue with that. The courts increased that because there's no reason that this weekend who has nothing to do with the court system should have a camera anywhere pointed toward my court paperwork. I understand, I'm just speaking in general here.
Tell you how I feel about it. I understand everyone's point.
You need 2 copies, Michael?
Yeah, one for me, one for her.
Yeah, they got arrested. So I've been trying for months.
You're in your tent, I read it.
Is he on the phone?
Yeah.
Yeah. No, obviously.
I plead with good for anything that is asked.
Like 100 people got.
I think it's awesome that you're so worried about everybody else in the public that you won't even give me your name. Are you scared?
It's not required.
It's not required, so you're scared. That's what you're telling me?
Scared
you
of
have
what?
to hide behind a camera, you can't give me your name?
Scared of what?
What I'm gonna do? Give me
You
your
ain't gonna
name.
do shit.
Then give me your name if I'm not gonna do anything, sir.
My name's George.
George what?
I'm not giving you my last name.
Well,
I'll tell you
I'm
hi.
gonna need that for the civil action, won't I?
Well, I tell you what, Rogue Nation Audits on YouTube. Okay, you could start your civil action right there.
No, I'll start with you.
That is me, Rogue
No,
Nation
Pretty sure
Audits.
that's not your name.
That's my YouTube channel. That's where this video
I
of
don't care about a
you
YouTube channel.
talking shit is gonna go up
Talking
at.
shit. Telling
Yeah.
you what is right and wrong within
Do you know what the
a
First Amendment is? Didn't you fight for the Constitution?
Yeah, I do know what the First Amendment is. I also know that people have a right to their privacy, and in a courthouse
right, and not in
with
public.
sensitive documents in hand, you should not be recording people.
Well,
Thank you.
should and could are two different things.
You are the most disrespectful person in the world, and it's people like me and my other soldier companions that fought for you. We have no respect for people like you. I think you should understand that.
I'm glad you speak for all the soldiers, sir.
Trust me, I speak for more than you do.
Good deal. You're a god among men,
And you're what?
whatever I want to be.
Hiding behind a camera. I guess that's whatever you want to be, right?
I can't hide behind
George.
this. It's pretty small. It's a shame that people fought for our rights don't understand them.
No, it's a shame that somebody like you can't understand when somebody doesn't want to be recorded and give them that respect. But that's fine, George.
The camera wasn't on you until you made it an issue.
Actually, the camera's been on me several times. I've watched it as you walk through here. It's still ringing around.
Okay, well,
Thank you.
What about repossession? Okay, I
Thank you.
Does she still need to do email for the repossession?
Oh, to get the final judgment?
I don't know. She just said that. I told her you'll call her back.
this gonna take much longer? Do we know what's going on? Or?
I got your back. Yes. Final judgment.
Do you happen to have a list for that? Parenting class.
So basically, the clerk's office, we can't determine racism, you can, cannot.
Did you guys tell the court administrator?
Yeah.
Okay, what did
They
you say?
basically said that you would enter the courtroom and then
All right, cool. All right, we're good.
Take it easy, guys.
Thanks, guys.
This is not drone control, I'm just charging the phone.
Oh, okay, okay.
I have to take more as soon as he's available to
Do you have permission to record?
I do.
From where?
The court administrator.
Gotcha.
Yep.
Administration did you speak to? Court administration did you speak to?
It was either Christine or Michelle. I can't remember her name.
What did she look like?
I talked to her on the phone, so I can't tell you.
When did you talk to her?
I talked to her last week when I went to the Titusville courthouse. I was just down in the clerk of courts too.
Recess for 5 minutes. Go off record.
Yeah.
Remain seated, come to order, court is back in session.
All right, we're back on the record. Let's resume
May I speak, Judge?